students, in Maths 2A first chapter is complex numbers. Already we discussed the definitions of the complex number, addition of complex numbers. What is the complex number? It is denoted by C, that equal to the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that here A and B belongs to real number set R. Complex number is denoted with capital C. In that, the main definitions are addition of two complex numbers or subtraction. That means difference of the complex numbers. Addition, difference, and negative of complex number, or it is also called additive inverse. Additive inverse of complex number. Okay, next multiplication. Multiplication of complex number and conjugate. Conjugate of complex number, and the last one is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay. The main definitions are addition, difference, negative, or additive inverse. Okay, next multiplication of complex numbers, conjugate, and multiplicative inverse. Okay, for example, Z1 equal to Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. So from the first definition, addition of complex numbers. Addition of complex numbers, addition. Okay, addition means sum Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 plus Z2 equal to, here Z1 is 2 plus 3i and Z2 is 3 minus 4i. So the sum of real parts 2 plus 3 and imaginary part, here the imaginary part is 3i and minus 4i. So take I common, 3 minus 4. So 5 plus I into minus 1, that equal to 5 minus I. Okay, this is the addition of two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 3 minus 4i. Addition of two complex numbers is the sum of the complex numbers. The sum means plus. So Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 plus Z2. Add real part to real part and imaginary part to imaginary part. So 2 plus 3, 5. 3 minus 4 minus 1 into I. So 5 minus I. Next one is difference. Difference of the complex numbers. Difference. That means Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2. So here Z1 is 2 plus 3i minus of Z2 is 3 minus 4i. So 2 plus 3i minus of, so multiply with minus, minus 3 minus of minus plus 4i. Again here the real numbers are 2 real part, real number means real part. What is the real part here? 2 and minus 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next, imaginary part. What is imaginary part here? 3i and 4i. So 3i plus 4i, 7i. This is the difference, Z1 minus Z2. Okay. Next one is negative of the complex number or additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of the complex number? Minus Z. If Z is the complex number, then the negative of the complex number or additive inverse of the complex number is minus Z. Okay. Now, for example, the complex number Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i. Then the negative or additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay. Additive inverse of Z1 is minus Z1. That is minus of 2 plus 3i. So minus 2 minus 3i. Okay. This is the additive inverse or negative of the complex number Z1. Similarly, negative of Z2 or additive inverse of Z2 is minus Z2. So minus of 3 minus 4i. So minus 3 plus 4i. Okay, these are definitions for negative of the complex number or additive inverse of the complex number. So next one is multiplication. How to multiply the complex numbers? Multiply. Okay, na? Multiplication of the complex numbers. That means already we know that multiplication means product of. So Z1 into Z2. So here Z1 is 2 plus 3i and Z2 is 3 minus 4i. Okay. So first multiply with 2. 3 minus 4i is multiply with 2. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Next. Here plus 2 and minus 4. So plus into minus minus. 2 4s are 8 into I. Next. Again 3 minus 4i is multiplied with imaginary part of first one. What is imaginary part here? 3i. So 3 minus 4i is multiplied with 3i. So 3 3s are 9i. Next plus 3 here minus 4. So plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12. I into I square. Okay. Already we know that I equal to root of minus 1. What is the value of I square? I square equal to minus 1. Squaring on both sides, we get I square equal to minus 1. So, 6 minus 8i plus 9i. These are imaginary parts. Okay, minus 8 plus 9 plus I. Minus 12 into I square equal to minus 1. That equal to 6 plus I minus of minus plus 12. That equal to 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus I. So Z1 into Z2 equal to 18 plus I. Multiplication of complex numbers. Multiplication means product. So product of two complex numbers. Okay, so first multiply with 2, after that with 3i. Here I square equal to minus 1. This is the multiplication of two complex numbers. Next, another two definitions are conjugate. Conjugate of the complex number and multiplicative inverse. So here Z1 equal to 2 plus 3. The example problem is 3 minus 4i. Conjugate of Z1. Already we know that conjugate means if Z equal to a plus bi, then the conjugate of the complex number is a minus bi. Okay, the formula for conjugate. Conjugate of the complex number Z equal to, if Z equal to a plus bi, then the conjugate of this complex number Z is a minus bi. Put in place of I is, instead of in place of I is minus I. Okay. Now conjugate. What is the conjugate of Z1? Here Z1 is 2 plus 3i. So conjugate of Z1 is 2 minus 3i. Okay. Next. Conjugate of Z2. Here Z2 is 3 minus 4i. Okay. Put in place of conjugate means put in place of I is minus I. So what is the conjugate of Z2? Conjugate of Z2 is 3 minus of minus plus 4i. 3 plus 4i. These are the conjugate of the given complex numbers Z1 and Z2 respectively. Next one. What is the next definition? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay. The additive inverse is minus z. What is the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. Okay. Additive inverse of z is minus z. Same similarly, multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. Multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. Okay. If z1 equal to 2 plus 3i, then find the multiplicative inverse of z1. Okay. If z1 is 2 plus 3i, Then find the multiplicative inverse of Z1. That means find 1 by Z1 value. Now you find 1 by Z1. So 1 by Z1 equal to 1 by, here Z1 is 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. First of all, it is converted into the complex number form. What is the complex number form? A plus bi. That means a real part plus imaginary part. That is the form of the complex number. So for that, 1 by 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. So this denominator is multiply and divide with 2 minus 3i. That means this is multiply and divide with conjugate of the denominator value. What is the denominator is here? That is also one complex number, that is 2 plus 3i. So the conjugate of this 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. So multiply and divide with 2 minus 3i. So 1 into 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Next, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So in place of here a is 2. So 2 square 4 minus b square. What is the b value is here? 3i. So comparing with the formula, here b is 3i. So 3i whole square. 3i whole square means 9 into I square. Okay, 3i whole square. 3i whole square. Apply square. 3 square into I square. So 3 square means 9. 9 into I square. Again we know that I square. What is the value of I square? I square equal to minus 1. Since imaginary value I equal to root of minus 1, from that I square equal to minus 1. So 1 by Z1 equal to 2 minus 3i by 4 plus 9. Okay. Actually here we apply a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So 2 square minus 3i whole square, that is 4 minus 9 into I square. Here I square equal to minus 1. So minus of minus plus. So 4 plus 9. So 2 minus 3i by 9 plus 4, 13. So now separate the fraction. 2 by 13 minus 3 by 13 into I. Okay. It can be also written as 2 by 13 plus minus 3 by 13 into I. Now it is in the form of a plus bi, complex number form. Okay. So the multiplicative inverse of Z1 is 1 by Z1. If Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i, then the multiplicative inverse 1 by Z1 is 2 by 13 plus minus 3 by 13 into I. This is the multiplicative inverse. Okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the next conjugate, multiplicative inverse, additive inverse. One more definition is there, that is the last definition. Division of the complex numbers, Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2. This is the division of the complex numbers. Division of complex numbers. Okay. If Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers, then the division of the complex number is Z1 by Z2. So in this example, what is the value of Z1? 2 plus 3i, and Z2 is 3 minus 4i. How to divide the complex number with complex number? See it. So 2 plus 3i by 3 minus 4i. Okay. Here also again multiply and divide with conjugate of the denominator value. Okay. Here denominator is 3 minus 4i. What is the conjugate of this denominator? 3 plus 4i. So multiply and divide with the conjugate of the denominator. Okay. Again here 2 plus 3i into 3 plus 4i. That means multiplication of the two complex numbers. So first multiply with 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 2s are 8i. Next, 3 3s are 9i, 4 3s are 12i square by. Next, in denominator it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Again a square minus b square. 9 minus 4 4s are 16 into I square. So that equal to 6. 8 plus 9, 17i. I square equal to minus 1. I equal to root of minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. So minus 12 by 9. I square equal to minus 1. So minus of minus plus 16. That equal to 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 17i by 25. Okay. Now separate the fraction. Z1 by Z2 equal to Z1 by Z2 equal to minus 6 by 25 plus 17 by 25 into I. Okay. Again it is in the form of complex form. A plus bi. Real part plus imaginary part. Okay. If Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 3 minus 4i. Then the division of the two complex numbers. Okay. Z1 by Z2. How to find the Z1 by Z2? Here multiply and divide with the conjugate of the denominator. Here denominator is the one of the complex number 3 minus 4i. The conjugate of 3 minus 4i is 3 plus 4i. So multiply and divide with 3 plus 4i. Okay. In numerator now apply again multiplicative of complex number. Multiplication of two complex numbers. Okay. Here a minus b into a plus b. Again a square minus b square. We know that I square equal to minus 1. Okay. Z1 by Z2 equal to, again it is a complex number. In this example that value is minus 6. So minus 6 by 25 plus 17 by 25 into I. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the first exercise problems. Exercise 1a. The first problem is if Z1 equal to 2 minus 5. First one, if Z1 equal to 2 minus 1, Z2 equal to 6 comma 3. Find Z1 minus Z2. That means difference of the complex numbers. Here given two complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Find the difference of that two complex numbers. In this problem, Z1 and Z2 are given in the form of ordered pair. Already we know that if Z equal to ordered pair A comma B, then it is a complex number of the form A plus BI. A plus BI. Okay. A plus BI is the complex number. It is also denoted with the ordered pair. Ordered pair A comma B. Ordered pair A comma B means A plus BI. A plus BI. So, from this definition, Z1 equal to, what is the value of Z1? 2 minus 1 into I. Okay, 2 minus I. Next, and Z2 is 6 plus 3i. Okay, here Z1 is 2 minus 1. That means it is in the form of ordered pair A comma B. Ordered pair A comma B equal to A plus BI. Okay, so 2 plus minus 1 into I. So 2 minus I. And Z2 is 6 plus 3i. These are Z1 and Z2 values. Given Z1 and Z2. Okay. Here find out the value of Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2. Now Z1 minus Z2 equal to 2 minus I minus of 6 plus 3i. Okay, 6 plus 3i. So minus of is here. 2 minus I multiply with minus. Minus 6 minus 3i. Okay, so 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 4i. Minus I minus 3i minus 4i. This is the Z1 minus Z2 value. Okay. Here given Z1 and Z2. Find the value of Z1 minus Z2. Actually here given value are in ordered pair. Since if Z equal to ordered pair A comma B means A plus Bi from the definition of the complex number. Okay. From that Z1 equal to 2 minus I, Z2 equal to 6 plus 3I. Now Z1 minus Z2. Substitute the Z1 and Z2 value. Here minus is there. Okay. So multiply with minus. Minus 6 minus 3I. Okay na? This is the Z1 minus Z2 value. Okay. Next problem. Next second one is if Z1 equal to 3 comma 5, 3 5 and Z2 equal to 2 6. Find Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2. Here given Z1 equal to, what is the value of Z1? Z1 equal to 3 plus 5y. This is the ordered pair 3 comma 5. That means the complex number is 3 plus 5y. Real part to imaginary part. Here real part equal to 3, imaginary part equal to 5. So 3 plus 5y. And Z2 equal to 2 plus 6i. Okay. Now Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 means multiplication. Multiplication of two complex numbers or product of two complex numbers. How to multiply the two complex numbers? 3 plus 4i, 2 plus 6i. So first to multiply with the real part. 3 into 2 plus 6i. After that 5i into 2 plus 6i. So first of all 2 plus 6i is multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 6 3s are 18i plus 5 2s are 10i plus 6 5s are 30i square. Okay. So 6 plus 18 plus 10, 28i plus 30 into minus 1. Since I square equal to minus 1. Okay. I equal to root of minus 1 and I square equal to minus 1. So 6 minus 30. What is the value of 6 minus 30? Minus 24. Okay. Plus 28i. This is the Z1 and Z2. Z1 into Z2 equal to minus 24 plus 28i. Okay. This is the product of the two complex numbers. Next one. Third problem. Third one. Write the additive inverse of the following complex numbers. First bit is root 3 comma 5. Okay. First bit is root 3 comma 5. Find the additive inverse. Negative of the complex number or additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of Z? That is minus Z. The additive inverse of Z is minus Z. Okay. For example, let Z equal to, here given complex number, again it is in the form of ordered pair, root 3 comma 5. That means Z equal to root 3 plus 5i. Real part plus imaginary part. Okay, real part plus imaginary part. Z equal to root 3 plus 5i. Then additive inverse. additive inverse of z is minus z. Then we have the additive inverse of z is minus z. Therefore, minus z, additive inverse minus z equal to multiply with minus root 3 minus 5y. This is the additive inverse of the given complex number root 3 comma 5. Again we can write in the ordered pair also. Okay. Ordered pair minus root 3 comma minus 5. Okay. Here additive inverse of the given complex number is minus root 3 minus 5y. Next, another bit is there. So second one, minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 comma minus 4. Okay. This is the important bit for very short. Minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 minus 4. How to find the additive inverse? First of all, find the complex number. What is the complex number is here. Okay. This means here first, for example, let it be Z1 and Z2. Then the sum of the two complex numbers. What is the value of this one? Minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 minus 4 equal to add real number to real number and imaginary number to imaginary number. That means minus 6 plus 10. Next, 5 minus 4. Okay. So 4 comma plus 1. This is the actual complex number. Okay. Here in second bit given, find the additive inverse of the complex number. But here given in the form of addition. So sum of the two complex numbers. So first find the sum of these two complex numbers. We get 4 comma 1. That means let z equal to 4 plus I. Okay. Here what is the complex number? Ordered pair 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1 means 4 plus I, 1 into I. That means 4 plus I. Now find the additive inverse of 4 plus I. Okay. If the additive inverse of z is minus z. Then we have additive inverse. Additive inverse of z is minus z. Okay. So minus z equal to minus of 4 plus I. That equal to minus 4 minus I. This is the additive inverse of the given complex number. Okay. Next, another problem. If z equal to cos theta comma sin theta, find z minus 1 by z. Okay. If z equal to cos theta comma sin theta, that means z equal to the complex number is cos theta plus I into sin theta or cos theta plus sin theta into I. Then find the value of z minus 1 by z. Okay, na? Given z equal to cos theta plus I into sin theta. Okay. Here z and 1 by z. Okay. Z minus 1 by z means the difference between z and 1 by z. So first find the 1 by z value. Now 1 by z equal to 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now multiply and divide with the conjugate of this complex number. What is the conjugate of this one? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta by cos theta minus I sin theta equal to cos theta minus I sin theta by, again in denominator it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square cos square theta minus b square I sin theta whole square, that is I square into sin square theta. So cos theta minus I sin theta by cos square theta. Again here I square is there, so we know that I square equal to minus 1. So minus of minus plus sin square theta. Okay. So the denominator value is here cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So 1 by z equal to, the denominator value is 1. So cos theta minus I sin theta. This is the 1 by z value. Here z is cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by z is cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay. Now find z minus 1 by z. Now z minus 1 by z. Z is cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1 by z. Cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay. Cos theta plus I sin theta multiply with minus cos theta minus of minus plus I sin theta. Plus cos theta minus cos theta gets cancelled. So I sin theta plus I sin theta. 2I sin theta. The value of z minus 1 by z is 2I into sin theta. So z minus 1 by z equal to 2I into sin theta. Okay. This is the in complex number fourth problem. If z equal to cos theta and sin theta ordered pair. Okay. Then find z minus 1 by z value. So z means ordered pair cos theta sin theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. First to find the 1 by z. First find 1 by z value. Okay. After that z minus 1 by z. Z minus 1 by z equal to 2I into sin theta. Okay.